For the first episode of Filmmaker Fitness, we're going to have Jay Brauch go over practical uses for a foam roller. These will be really helpful if you have back pain, back spasms from holding gear, holding gimbals, and it just gets really tight. I think he has some good helpful tips to fix that.
Hey guys, so this is the foam roller. This is going to help roll out any kind of muscle tension or kinks that you have. This is great for the back. So we were talking about posture before, to kind of roll out some of your thoracic muscle tension. I like to put this on the ground. Well, actually, that's the only way you can do it. Let's put it on the ground. Make sure your butt is nice and steady. Get your feet firmly planted. Put your hands behind your head to control your cervical spine or your neck to make sure it's not all loosey-goosey, and then just slowly pull back. Come up, find the next vertebrae, and then stretch it. I also like to put my weight into it sometimes, and if you do feel a knot, just work it a little bit. If it hurts too much, don't put as much pressure unless you can deal with it, because the outcome it's going to be better than the income. If you're bending at the hips a lot and at the knees, kind of in a squat position, walking around, you're going to have glute tension. I'm sure you're going to have knee pain, but a good way to release some of that glute tension is to cross your leg. Ooh, oh yeah, and then roll out your gluteus maximus right there. I need to do these more.
Anyways, I hope that foam roller tip helps you out. They're really inexpensive. You can get them almost anywhere. If you like this and you want to see more of these videos, or if you have pains that you want us to talk about, leave it in the comments, like, subscribe, do all that, and have a good one.